Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Cafe by Manjeet Kaur. In this video, we study about class 9th physics chapter gravitation. Here we have definition of mass. It is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Mass is usually measured in grams or kilograms, but its SI unit is kilogram. Now we have definition of weight. It is the measure of amount of force acting on a mass due to acceleration due to gravity. That means it is a measure of gravitational pull on an object. Weight is usually denoted by W. We have an example. The mass of the astronomer on Earth and on Moon is same because the mass of the object remains constant no matter where it is placed. But the weight of the astronomer is different on Moon and on Earth because weight depends upon gravitational force. The weight of the astronomer on Earth is greater than the weight of the astronomer on Moon because the weight of the astronomer is greater because of the stronger gravitational pull on Earth. Now, weight is multiplied by the acceleration of the gravity. We know that F is equals to m into A from Newton's second law of motion. Here F is the force applied on object, m is the mass of the object, and A is the acceleration due to gravity. So from here we replace a force applied on object, which is equals to weight of the object, and A is equals to A acceleration. So we replace it by lowercase g, which is acceleration due to gravity. So from here we get W is equals to m into g. W is the weight of the object, m is the mass of the object, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Here we have an example. The mass of an object is 100 kg. What is its weight on the earth? Mass is equals to 100 kg. Acceleration due to gravity, which is g, which is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. We know W is equals to m times g. So put the values of mass and acceleration due to gravity in this formula. We get W is equals to 980 Newton. Thus the weight of the object is 980 Newton. Here the weight of an object on the moon. The weight of an object on the earth is the force with which the earth attracts the object. Because the weight depends upon gravitational pull, so the weight of the object on earth is stronger than the weight of the object on moon because there presence of stronger gravitational pull on the earth. Similarly, the weight of the object on the moon is the force with which the moon attracts the object. But here gravitational pull is weaker. So the mass of the moon is less than from the mass of the earth, so that the moon exerts lesser force of attraction on object. Thus we get weight of the object on moon is equals to 1/6 multiplied by its weight on the earth. Here we have definition of thrust. It is the total force act perpendicular to the total surface of the object. Thrust is the opposite direction to the force of gravity. Hence, it reduces the total force acting downward due to gravity on the object, and you feel as though your weight has reduced. The thrust is a vector quantity. That means it gives us magnitude and also direction. The SI unit of thrust, which is equals to Newton. Thrust is equals to pressure multiplied by area, that is its formula. Now we have definition of pressure. It is the thrust acting per unit area of the object. That means pressure depends upon two factors. First is thrust, which is force. More the force, more the pressure. And second is area. More area, less pressure we have to apply. So SI unit of pressure is Pascal, and its formula is pressure is equals to thrust upon area. In this, it is easier to walk on soft sand if we have flat shoes, because we have to apply less force because of higher area. But if we wear sharp heels and walk on soft sand, we have to apply high force because of low area. So thank you for watching my video. Like my video and subscribe my channel.